Have you ever paused to ponder on how we tackle the intricate world of data? Data, in its raw form, is like a diamond in the rough. It possesses immense potential, but harnessing that potential requires meticulous handling. There are two primary ways we approach this task: by molding the prompt or by teaching the model to behave differently. Firstly, consider the method of adding all the necessary information to the prompt. This is akin to providing a detailed roadmap for our model to follow. The model, like a diligent student, takes in the prompt and formulates an answer based on the information given. Techniques such as RAG, prompt engineering, and other retrieval-based methods come into play here. Prompt engineering, for example, is a way to guide the model towards the desired output. It's like a recipe for a dish. You include the right ingredients, follow the steps, and voila, you have your answer. The key here is to keep the prompt focused, relevant, and clear. With the right prompt, the model can generate accurate and reliable results. Retrieval-based methods, on the other hand, are like a librarian in a vast library of information. The model sifts through the data, retrieves relevant information, and uses it to answer the prompt. The RAG technique, for instance, stands for Retrieve and Generate. It combines the strengths of retrieval-based methods and generative models to provide a comprehensive response. On the flip side, we have the method of changing the model's behavior itself. This is akin to teaching a child a new skill. The model learns, adapts, and evolves. This process, known as fine-tuning, involves retraining the model to behave differently. Fine-tuning is like a bespoke suit. It tailors the model to fit a specific task or dataset. By adjusting the model's parameters, it can learn to generate outputs that align more closely with our desired results. Over time, through a process of learning and adjustment, the model becomes better at dealing with the data it is given. In summary, dealing with data involves a delicate dance between molding the prompt and teaching the model. Prompt engineering and retrieval-based methods guide the model towards the right answer, while fine-tuning adjusts the model's behavior to align with our desired results. Both approaches are crucial in harnessing the true potential of data, turning the rough diamond into a sparkling gem of information.